Things like this. I'm like so nervous to put this on. Guys, my dad is like the biggest drama queen ever. I'm actually sweating so much because I have never actually like done a talking video, and I'm actually tired now because we used to have to walk six floors. Like, do you think the concealer that I am wearing right now is not matching my face? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So from the title, as you can tell, I'm getting a tattoo today and my sister is really loud, so you can hear her in the background even though my door is closed. But I'm super excited. My entire family is gonna come and I'm gonna take you guys along. So hope you all enjoy it. Also, this is my outfit. I'm wearing a plain black tee with white shorts and my Air Force Ones. So
it is, you have to find it. म्हणजे it is possible to find it. असं नाही की नाही.
हाँ तर मी नाही म्हटलं की इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. मी कोशिश करते हैं.
Is it like that straight? This is okay, no?
yeah. But I also wanted to say, like, can we like figure out the placing, because I don't want it to come tira when I keep my hand like this. So like when we do it, maybe like over here it might go a little up, but when I keep my hand like this, I don't want it to like look.
It'll be like that.
Yeah.
When you hold like that,
Yeah,
it will show.
that's fine.
Fine, no?
Yeah.
Maybe. So that you don't have to worry at all. The artist will place it for you and show to you. I will take a picture for you. You will approve, then only we start. Okay?
मम्मा बाबांचे रिएक्शन मास्क मध्ये काय दिसत तुला?
Guys, can we take a moment to see how cute my bum looks there?
हात भी तुझे नाजुक आहेत ना.
Oh. Guys, my dad is like the biggest drama queen ever. Now you know where I get it from.
मम्मा डॉक्टरकडे आल्यासारखी विचारते. मम्मा डॉक्टरकडे आल्यासारखी विचारते.
This is what it looks finally. I would attach a picture over here of what it looked like when I just got out of the tattoo parlor. It was a super fun experience. Guys, I'm sorry, this vlog is like all over the place and I didn't mention what my tattoo actually meant, but basically I got strength written because my family is my biggest strength, and this tattoo is always supposed to remind me that whenever I'm in a difficult situation or in a situation that I cannot handle, the first person or the first people that I should call is my family, my sister, my parents. because they're always gonna be there for me. They've always supported me with whatever I've done, and I just love them so much. And this tattoo is basically like kind of dedicated to them. So yeah. And notice how I'll keep taking my pictures like this now, because I just want to show off my tattoo. And also, like, do y'all think the concealer that I am wearing right now is not matching my face? Because I think it looks so bad. Like, look at my neck color and look at my face color. It's so bad. Like, what do I do about this? And I have like a massive pimple here. Okay guys, so we came to Vipcure. We came to Vipcure because Janvi. Oh my god, look at this lighting. We came to Vipcure because we have to collect some of Janvi's brother's stuff, and we sneaked up to the 6th floor to come check our classroom out. Oh my god, that is such nostalgia. You guys have to see this. And me and Janvi weren't even friends then.
I mean, we were friends. What the hell? How else did you become friends?
We've literally sneaked into the school. Like, there were 2 teachers downstairs and they don't know where we were.
We jumped on
We jumped on the fence.
This is what it is.
This is the classroom where everything happened, where Janvi dated.
Oh no. Nothing went down here. So we have to go down from that side.
I'm actually tired now because we used to have to walk 6 floors.
These trips lasted like the 8th floor because are also kind of bad. We didn't really study.
And like, we have finally escaped. We're going down now.
The escape Miss Gracie right now.
With the escape is great. We have to jump that fence. Let's go. We can do this.
Gracie's on somewhere. We jump in.
Yeah.
Where is she?
There it.
Gymnastics is happening here. Come fast.
I'm actually sweating so much because I have never actually like done a talking video, and I never really like express my opinions about things like this. I'm like so nervous to put this out. Oh my God. Something that I personally experienced, so I just felt like it's something that I should talk about. Okay, so I just want to put this disclaimer before any of y'all think I'm trying to shade anyone, or I am shady, but I can't believe I just said I'm a shady person on camera. Guys, right now I am not being shady whatsoever. I'm genuinely trying to be nice. Something that I need to learn, because I am the type of person, if someone hurts me or if someone's mean to me, I'll just be like, you know what, it's fine. Like, they're just messing around, which I get. Like, everyone's friends mess around and stuff. But if someone doesn't make you happy and you have finally realized that, please don't justify their actions and be like, oh, he's a close friend, it's fine, like he doesn't really mean it. If that person bothers you and it's come to an extent where you can't tolerate it anymore, just cut them off. Like, it's that easy. Because if you're being in that relationship with that friend of yours and that person is constantly like hurting you or saying things to you that you don't like, you are putting yourself in that situation that you can easily get out of. So please don't justify their actions and, you know, just let it go every single time. Like, so one of the main things that I also wanted to talk about was that if there's someone who's close to you, like a really close friend of yours or a boyfriend or a family member, someone basically really close to you, says something to you and you don't like it, you should tell them. You should tell them that you don't like what they just said to you, and you should not just keep quiet about it, and you should express that, okay, this you said to me then, and I just don't think that I appreciate the way you said it to me. And I genuinely feel like when we're close to people, we always like let it go sometimes, and we're just like, it's fine. And I don't think that's healthy. Personally, I think that you should tell these people that, listen, it's not cool what you said to me, and you should tell them in a very, very normal, nice way, because it's not like you want to start a fight with them. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, because I have not posted in such a long time, because as you can tell, my skin isn't doing the best right now, and I am having like major anxiety with it. So that's why I am not filming a lot, and I hope that my skin gets better soon so I can continue posting videos. And thanks for being patient with me, and I will see you guys next time.